Amazing program today on The Perspective with Josh Thiessen. Oh my goodness, what an incredible gifted artist. So much to unpack there. Catch the show today. But right now, we're going to take a quick dive into the scriptures. We're going to talk about fear on our summer sound bites. A verse of scripture that shaped my life when I was 22. I was pastoring a church at that age. Can you imagine those poor people? It seemed like every person was a senior citizen, but one older gentleman gave me this scripture from Exodus chapter 14. Moses answered the people, "Do not be afraid, stand firm. You'll see the deliverance of the Lord that he will bring for you today. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still." Those words given to Moses and given to me over 40 years ago have anchored my soul time and time again. Because when I think fear and problems, think Moses, think the Red Sea, the people all just in paranoia, the army coming down. It couldn't be any worse. And God says, stand still. You might need to hear that today. He's telling you to stand still and experience his presence, his peace right now in your life.